Hey guys, we are back here. Market's gonna open. After that huge drop, I'm really liking longs for a nice bounce, like a quick scalp. So I have it ready right now with 5 micros. Same accounts, you can see I'm minus 230 because we took that 130 or 140 loss today. Um, but in 40 seconds, we're gonna open. I do like it for a nice bounce. It doesn't mean it might bounce and then come back down, but I do like it long. I am gonna take a mini or so in my TradeFi account, which I actually ended up green on. I was able to catch some another longs, but I didn't on this account because I'm already trying to put everything together here so you guys can see everything. So we're gonna try to do this here. Trade with 5. It is obviously very risky, but I do like it. So we're gonna see what happens. If you open up slow, you open up slow, then it is what it is, no big deal. But I do like it here for long. So here we go.
The markets are open.
There we go. We're dropping, drop it.
Order filled.
Oh, of course, not in the right one. Of course, I always forget that, guys.
Order filled.
So let's see. Nice gap would be nice, but get a nice push up. I'm not expecting 300. I mean, it'd be nice if we close the gap, but if we don't, we don't. I'm having to hold here because we don't. But nice push would be nice. I'm also looking at my TradeFi account, so forgive me if I go to the other screen. Over there, I'm playing mini, so it moves a little faster. All right, we're gonna have here sell 3 right there because where are we going here? Perfect. All right, my other account over here, I'm looking really good too. Nice little push. All right, what's going on over here?
Order filled.
And my other wouldn't let me get out. So, what are we? 100, 102. Oh, come on! You kidding me? All right, what was that? 5, bought full. Let's sell. Oh no, let's do.
Order filled.
Okay, there we go. That was nice. Now I break even. I just expect one right there. Small right there, kind of that push. What happened? My other one, I was trying to get out and it didn't get out. I don't know what happened over here, but yeah, let's sell another one, guys. Here.
Order filled.
And it comes back down, and let's just leave this one. What is it? Right there. Yeah. Let's get this out. Hopefully, it fills us. $20. Yeah. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It is what it is. But I like this. Nice. We're up $100. Nothing crazy. 5 micros. Hopefully it keeps pushing. If not, it'll come back down. It hits us $20. We're out. Nice even trade. You know, we're risking right now what, $10 to make another $30. I think I might just take this. Let's go on in the 1 minute. Yeah. Like here still. I think if we get out here, guys, yeah, little push, hopefully. Would have been nice if we cut it down here, but again, I was looking to see. I didn't want it to just drop on me, so that's why I didn't. Perfect. That's all it is, guys. Just keep moving the stop loss up. You know. But I think the next push, let's see. Next push right there, I'll get out $50 for that last one. I was more looking at my other account, guys. Yeah, let's get out.
Order
Oh,
filled.
I was gonna get out 44, but I guess it failed me. All right, guys, $140. That was right off the bat at longs. It was a nice play. Should have gone on a little sooner. I didn't realize I was in in the Nasdaq, but I did like it. I knew that we were gonna have a nice little jump just because we sold off. Usually on days that we sell off a ton, the next like opening session, it's a little jump. Now you might think like, oh, this is nothing compared to this big sell. Yes, it is nothing compared to the big sell, but look, we look where the bottom was, 419 to 460. So what's that? 40 points. Now we didn't catch that, I know, but still, we caught a nice little with 5 micros. And look, if we kept that 60, we would have gotten hit. I think this is where I believe this is where we were trying to hit. Let me see. Maybe I think it was a little higher, maybe here, but it's getting pretty close. Point is that sometimes that's just how it is. Sometimes it's just being able to see the market, drop off. And of course, it could have kept dropping off, because here it might. You have no idea. But those little plays, like my other account, for some reason it messed me up, but I went with a mini. I was up, I think, like $500, and then it just didn't let me sell, so I got to look into that. But here, with 5 micros up, I was up good amount of money, boom, took it. That's all it is. Moving your stop loss up. Now, it would have been nice if it would shut up even more, but, what are you going to do? So that is this for now, $140, no big deal. Down still 90 on our balance, and we really got to try to push this up. Obviously this market, that's one thing I want to say. This market is not usual. I mean, obviously since Trump took over, it's been very, very difficult. So I'm not going to sit here and say that I'm used to this market. I'm not. This is a very, very difficult market compared to what usually it is. But we're still trying to do what we can. Here I was kind of pissed today, guys. This is gold. So this was today. I missed the longs here, which it touched here, And then I had this line drawn right there. I had this boom, boom right here. It touched here. I really thought it was going to break, and I was waiting for the break to go longs. Look what it did. Short, came back, and then I probably would have taken profits here, this yellow line. I don't think I would have been able to cut the rest of it, but look at that. Oh, man, that would have been prime short. And I was looking at it, and I didn't, guys. Look at that. Boom, boom. And I didn't. And I was so mad this morning after we took that loss, which I don't know if you guys and if you guys check it out, it ended up actually working out, which was really annoying. It was this right here. So if you remember in the other trade, you go back in yesterday's video, in the last video. So where were we? Yeah, it was right here. We got out. You see this? I think it was 233. No, I think it was a little lower, but we took it. We took it here, around 1 here, 2 here. We stopped loss like right there, and then look what it did, guys. Oh man, it went up to here. I probably would have sold most of it around here, I would say. That's probably what I would. But look at that, and then came back down. Was it there? Oh, it was one of these two, but you got my point. It bounced like here. Ting through it, bounced like, oh man, it just here, then it broke. You can go back and look at my video to see what it was, but it's so annoying that that didn't work. No, this is where it was, guys. Sorry about that. It was 577. That's where it was. Yeah, it was 577. Remember, I'm trying to remember now. So it was around like right there. I don't know, 577. I was like, right, yes. So this is where it was, because we saw this sell off. 577 was right there, and then came down and went like this, and then it went all the way back up. And I was so mad when I saw it. I was like, oh man, had I kept it, but we don't know. That's why you have to take your risk, because it could have easily just kept going down and never made this. Like, we don't know. You have to, and that's how it is. But what are you gonna do? See, look at here. We took our profits. It didn't even close the gap. And look, it's already dropping. That whole little thing that it made, it's already eaten up with sellers. That's why sometimes you have to take your profits. It's not just about, you gotta just take them when you see them. You saw the last thing a few videos ago where I had profit, and I ended up being break even for the day because I didn't take my profit. And that's part of it, guys. You just gotta sometimes you gotta take your profit, take your partials, and run on the run on the solos and the last ones, you know. So, all right, I'm gonna end this right here. I'm not gonna take any other trades right now. Maybe later, but I will put those up. I will check you out later, guys. Bye. All right, guys. Back again, trading. It's around 10:40. Looking at a yes here at longs right here. I like it here a lot. Hopefully a nice bigger drop here, and I'll take some longs. I'm sure I'm gonna get this right. Sorry, I'm feeling a little under the weather, but I will show you something that I missed this morning, which really ticked me off. This right here. So I had this blue line on NQ. Called a couple of my friends, talked about it. Twice I had the opportunity to take shorts. Once here, once here. Hesitated both times. And look at this drop after the 10 a.m. news. And really annoying because look, I had this, you know, and then this nice drop when the 10 a.m. news hit. So that's annoying. But back to this is the next I'm looking at. I do like it here. So I'll take some longs here. I like it a lot. Like this, try. So I'm just with one. Just start off the day. Let me see what we're looking at over here. Oh man, I missed that. Wanted to wait till it comes back down a little bit more. I don't want to take it here, but I'm waiting for it to come back down. Even if it drops to this 539 level, that's kind of where I had. Where do we have that level? There we go. From this point right here. So this is kind of like from this 561 to this 540, which is only 40 points. So I want to take one to start off, and if it's like right here, then I'll take another one. But that's where I'm looking at the daily. So yeah, let's start it off soon here. One. Whoa, I almost took 5 there. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at. Do like it here, so I am gonna start with 1. Because if it still drops, it's kind of like my stop loss over here. So yeah, we're dropping. I like this here, so
Order filled.
start with 1. See what happens. 5539 is what we're looking at. So let's see what happens here, guys. Daily. Let's put this in level over here. What was it? I don't remember what it was. Somewhere over here. 5539 or something like that, right? Nah, I missed it. Oh man. I really should. I do draw lines for it, like my micros, but sometimes I like to just look at, because I do trade on minis in my other account. So yeah, see, because if it comes back down here, it's $100. I'm happy with that. That's what I'm looking at. Comes down here, I'll add another one, guys. I do like it here. It's a nice jump. Probably to like all around here. So I mean, I don't think we're gonna get that jump all the way to here. That'd be nice though. And I am trading ES rather than NQ, even though NQ is a little stronger for the bounce. Only because NQ, I don't see anything where I can actually like take a bounce. Like for me, this is where I would take NQ, and it's not there yet. It's stronger, so the bounce might be a ripper. But where am I gonna take the I'm just guessing here for NQ where I'm gonna take the bounce, where I'm gonna take the longs. So I don't want to do that. So and I did look at ES, and I like it here. So I'm gonna add another one, I think, guys, here. Like we're trying to push. So yeah, let me add
Order
another one.
filled.
2 of them now. What's this? Let's see if we can get a nice push. Not looking for 600. That'd be nice though. This is what I'm looking at right there, basically. Nice push up to around 300. Obviously, we can take it some. But you can see here, that's kind of where I'm looking at. Again, this whole space can still fill. Oh, here we go. $60. I like it. I would like to say that I push to, let's see where I really want my BT. So, I'm looking at around there, yeah, 5584. This is kind of where I'm looking to get the push. Yeah, right there. Try to push. There we go. So we're pushing here. Only two of them, like here. Up to $130 now. And now let's go back to the 1 minute. Oh, perfect. Look at that. Yeah, that should be perfect. That's what you should really want to say. Green. I'm gonna take one out here, guys, just to get some profit. You're already at 136. Try to make some money. So I'll take one. Sell one here. I should have put it right there. I should have taken that right where it was. Yeah, but I didn't. That's good. I don't want to take a loss on this, so I have the 18. If it comes back and we lose all this profit, it's gonna suck. But you know, hoping that we can get a nice push up. This is really what I'm looking at. This 260 area. I mean, this 5584. Have his limit sell. We can try to push up again. But we'll see what happens here. It comes back and hits us the 18. I will take the 18. I just don't want to take a loss on this. He pushed up. We were up 100 and something. And if it hits us, it hits us. I'm not looking to try to just take a red. Really want to push this up. Our balance, just push it up. So let's see. Hits us. Oh, there we go. Come on. Hit it. That's gonna be one of those things where it just doesn't want to. Really? Come on.
Order filled.
There we go, guys. We got one filled, up $200 in the day. Perfect. Now we're gonna move this up. And just gonna ride this now. Comes back, get it. Yeah. Just comes back and hits us. That's fine. But this is what I'm looking at right there now. Either 102 or $58. So risking, 48 or something.
Order filled.
Done. There we are, guys. That was a nice, great trade. 266. Perfect trade. I was really hoping that it would keep going up, but I don't want to risk more than that. Again, that was a very simple trade. Let me turn to ES. That was a trade we were looking at. I told you right there. Could have done down here, but I'm just gonna keep pushing now. But there you go. That's all we were looking for. 266 in the day. Balance is now green again. We made up yesterday's loss. And that should be it for today, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Bye now.